Merry Christmas, butterflies! Today we are summoning Legless Astro. Let's begin! Okay, so first you need to go to the Astro's side and type Legless Astro 3 times. After that, hide where is the Echo Room and stay behind the plant. And if you hear nothing, go to the Astro's map. Active only the machine near the elevator. Now hide quickly somewhere in the Astro's map. Wait here until you hear something. Did y'all hear this? I'm scared, guys. Oh yeah, final step. Go to the Tunes room and go where is the TV? Warning, loud noise.